Hello friends, today at Pruitt's Truck Sales I'd like to show you this 2015 Ford F450 Super Duty utility truck with the ALTEC AT200A bucket on it. The ALTEC is a 35.5 foot working height. This unit is a two-wheel drive. It's got the fiberglass body on it. The bucket is powered by the Onan generator here, gasoline generator. Feeds off the same tank as the truck. The truck has the 6.8 liter V10. Gasoline motor, automatic transmission. Show you some of your body here. The 450 will have a 16,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Has locks on the handles, but then also locks here on each of the sides that you can padlock. It'll lock the entire side. Unit with the generator will also have plug-ins up in the upper basket there for 110 outlet. Additional plug here. It's equipped with the tow hitch. This is your lower control for your boom. Bins on this side, compartment lighting. This bin goes all the way through the other side there. Real long bins there. Actually has a 240 volt receptacle there. Also equipped with a power inverter. That's your battery, also storage for your Onan. Two bucket seats, and you've got your work console here for your work orders. Strobe lighting. This is your master switch for your control there. We just turn off the generator there. We'll crank up the truck. The unit has 96,000 miles. Cold AC. Turn that down a little bit. These are your toggles for your strobe lights, interior compartment lights. Does have a rear view backup camera there. Factory trailer brake system. But if you think this 2015 Ford F450 ALTEC 200 will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt's Truck Sales or visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. If you like this video, let us know about it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.